video, I'm going to be telling you guys, let me get comfortable, what you should be buying from Amazon. These are going to be my Amazon favorites. I am an Amazon fanatic. There was a period of time when I was just ordering everything from Amazon. I love it. I was never the biggest Amazon lover, but this past year, I've been loving Amazon. I love that you can get your items in 2 days. I am a Prime member. I'm obsessed with Amazon. If it can be bought on Amazon, I will buy it off Amazon, because then I can just sit at home and in 2 days it will be there and I don't have to worry about trekking to the stores. So if you guys want to see all of my Amazon favorites, and they are across a wide variety of products, please keep watching. Okay, so because I do have so many, I'm going to read off of my list and then just insert pictures in the video, because it just would have been too many things on my vanity trying to share all these products with you guys. So the first thing on my list is a humidifier, and if you guys watched Vlogmas last year, then you would know that I tend to get sick fairly often. I don't have the strongest immune system, and the smallest thing could make me sick, and it mainly was because I was going to the gym all the time, but now I have a solution for that, which I will also share in this video today. But a humidifier just really helps me breathe easier, especially in the fall and winter times. And this was one that I purchased from Amazon. Well, it was a gift. Actually, it was a Christmas present, because I really needed a humidifier. Like, it was ridiculous. I was sick for about 2 weeks, but I really love a humidifier. It just helps to add some moisture to the air, and I used to use a humidifier as a child. So yes, I feel a little infantile right now, but it's definitely a staple for me. As soon as it gets cold out and there is less moisture in the air in my home, I bring out the humidifier. And what I love about this one is it's a cool mist humidifier. So you can add like essential oils to it. So sometimes I'll add eucalyptus oil or peppermint oil, and it will just help me be able to breathe a little easier. And I just adore it. So check out this humidifier. Let me silence my watch, and I will be leaving links to all these products down below. So we have a nail drill. So if you guys do not know, I do my own gel manicure because it's just cost effective, and I don't know, I don't mind doing it. So I just started doing this probably over a year ago, and I've been doing it ever since. I will go to the nail salon for like a special occasion, but just week to week I am using my own products at home. So because I do a gel manicure, one of the hardest things about doing your own at-home gel manicure is taking off your old polish. And at first I was just soaking my nails and using a nail file, but it really just helps to have a nail drill. So shout out to my girl Amanda on YouTube and on Instagram. She showed that she actually got a nail drill, and so I purchased one as well, and it helps tremendously. Now this is not a professional quality nail drill, so it's not as great as the one that my guy uses at the shop, but it will definitely get the job done. And I think it's like $14 or $15, so you really can't beat that. And it's such an awesome product if you do your nails at home. Then I also have my nail lamp to go along with that one. Now I've been told that the specific one that I bought is no longer available, so I will link a similar one. But this nail lamp is just amazing. I wanted to make sure that I found one that had a good amount of wattage so that it would get my nails as dry as quickly as possibly, because that's also important. But that nail drill and my nail lamp just make it so easy for me to get the perfect at-home gel manicure. And you probably, it's not gonna focus, but these look like salon quality nails, you guys. Like, I'm not saying you have to do your own at-home mani, but if you find it relaxing and you have the time, I don't know, I probably paid about $50 for all of the tools that I got, and like once a month I'll probably buy a new nail polish, and it pays for itself really. And the last product that relates to nails is going to be my foot file. Now this is something that I got to do my own pedicure, because it's like there's really only one lady who I like how she does my pedicure. Sometimes she's not available, sometimes I'm just too busy to go, and so I was like, you know what, I have a foot bath at home, why don't I just do this myself? So I purchased this nail file from Amazon. I think it's called like a I don't even know, but I'll link it down below. But what I love doing now is after I get out of the shower, I will lay something on my carpet and I will just use it like that. So I don't always necessarily have to soak my feet unless I just really want to do something relaxing. I'll just use the moisture from, you know, taking a shower or taking a bath, whatever you want to do, and I will just get the dead skin off that way. It's a totally nasty process, but it just makes your feet feel so smooth, and there's nothing worse than laying in bed and hearing your feet scratch against like the sheet. That is just so unattractive. So ladies and gentlemen, if you do not want to pay to go get a pedicure, just take a little foot file off Amazon and just hit the back of your heels and all around your foot after you get out of the shower, and I promise your feet will feel so smooth and amazing. Then we have my workout fanny pack, and this is the product that I was talking about earlier in the video that keeps me from getting sick, because you guys know I started working out pretty consistently at the end of last year, and I am a germaphobe. Everyone who knows me knows this about me. I hate touching things that everybody touches. I bring my own pen inside the bank. I have hand sanitizer in my car, in my purse. I will use a glove to pump gas. Like, she is me, you know? So having a fanny pack when I go to the gym is so useful because I can put everything in there that I would normally have to put in like the cup holders on the different equipment. So this is gonna be my keys, my phone, I don't know, your credit card, your ID, anything you want to have on you. I like putting it either in my fanny pack or in the pockets in my workout leggings. I just find that it cuts down on the possessions that I have that have to touch the dirty surfaces in the gym. Even though I spray down all my equipment before and after with the disinfectant spray, I just feel like there's so many germs in the gym and so many people don't wipe down the equipment, and it's just so gross. So having that fanny pack with me has really helped, I believe, cut down on my sicknesses, because the only things that are coming into contact with the gym equipment are really my hands, and I'm using hand sanitizer constantly during my workout and after. So a workout fanny pack is awesome. Also, if you don't utilize the locker room. So I've never even been in the locker room in my gym. I just go right in, do my workout, and then go back out. So having everything on me is really convenient. Okay, I also have my lightning fast car charger. This is something that is just so essential for me because I go out a lot, I'm out and about a lot, whether you're going to work and you're going out after work or you're traveling. It's just so essential to have a lightning car charger that will charge your phone very fast. Every time you ride in someone's car, they're like, do you have a car charger? So I would definitely say that has come in handy. I bought one for my dad. It's just an amazing car charger, and I think it was only like $12 or $13, so you really can't beat that. I love it, and I want to say it also has a port on top, another USB into that, so that if you have someone else in the car who has a cord. So I can't live without a car charger, especially a lightning fast charger. Something else that's kind of funny is my tomato slicer. Now, I know you're probably thinking that is totally stupid. Why the hell do you need a tomato slicer? Well, I don't know about you guys, but when I chop tomatoes and onions, anything that's shaped like a ball, and I'm dicing it or something, it's really hard to get to the end of it because you don't want to cut your fingers. So I got this little handy device off of Amazon, and it comes in such handy. It basically looks like a comb, and it has slots for you to slide your knife in, and it keeps you from chopping off your fingers, and that is just so handy to me. This is why I love Amazon, because they have things that you need that you don't always think about or see when you go to like Walmart or Target or the grocery store. So that has come in such handy. And you guys know, on my health journey, I am eating a lot more vegetables and such, and a lot of the base components of my meals start with like green peppers and onions. So having something like that has just been super essential. And I promise you guys, if you get something like that, you will find it useful. Just check it out and let me know later. Next is my Hookah coal lighter. So if you guys don't know, I do have a Hookah that I bought from Amazon as well. Actually, I told you guys, like, I'm an Amazon lover, like fanatic. Love Amazon. But the thing about lighting your hookah is the coals are so hard to light if you try lighting them on the stove. Now, I don't use the quick start coals just because I find they taste more not authentic. So I use the ones that take a really long time to light, but I got this coal lighter, and it's basically just like a mini stove that you can put outside or on your counter, and my coals are lit within like 5 minutes, and I love it. It's super handy, and I would totally recommend that to anyone who wants to cook outside or has hookah, anything like that. Then I have my Bluetooth headphones, and these are amazing. I got them to work out, so I use these when I go work out in the gym. I am not someone who wants the Apple AirPods, I think that's what you call them. I just feel like I'm not spending my money on that. Now, if I get gifted a pair, great, I'll use them, but I just feel like I would look up and they will be gone, especially when I see people using them in the airport. All I can think about is being on like the train in Atlanta to go to your gate, or being on the flight and them coming out of your ears and then they're lost, and then there goes your $200. So I like these type of headphones because there is a strap around your neck, so it's kind of secure, and they were like $15. Like, hello, you cannot beat that deal. The sound quality is pretty decent for a product that's $15. Once again, I only use them if I'm on a plane or if I'm working out, so it's not anything that I'm like gonna sit at home and listen to. I have a Bose speaker that I will play music out of when I'm at home, but these earphones are perfect. I do find that I have to charge them about every 2 weeks, but I try to make it a habit to charge them once a week, just because there's nothing worse than being mid-workout listening to your favorite workout playlist and then your headphones die. So that is the only con of using the wireless headphones, is that you have to charge them. And I feel like everyone in America now has about 5 things that need to be charged every night, and it's just so annoying. But it is great. It is great to have more flexibility at the gym, where I could have my phone in my pocket, but my earphones are not being tangled up in anything. So that is really nice. So I think they're totally worth it. I also have my dishwasher sign. Now, I don't know about you guys, but in my house, this is something that is totally essential, because sometimes when you open the dishwasher, it's hard to tell if the dishes are clean or dirty, especially if you don't live by yourself, because there's a certain way that I know I clean my dishes off before they go in the dishwasher, because I do use a dishwasher. Like, I'm not doing all that work. But sometimes people, like, there, you know, there's usually a light indicator on your dishwasher, but sometimes people will open it and then you won't know if they're clean, or they won't tell you. So this is something that suctions to the front of your dishwasher. It can work with stainless steel, plastic, whatever surface your dishwasher is, probably except wood, and it just lets you know if it's clean or dirty. And it's just something that's so tiny that makes life so much easier. And before getting that, we used to have like a little sticky note that we would keep on top of the dishwasher on the counter, and that was kind of ghetto. So I was like, let me just look for an actual legit product. But that has saved tons of energy from having to rewash dishes. So definitely, if you have that same problem as me, maybe people don't have it, I don't know, but if you do, that product is definitely, it's an essential for my house. Next, I have my Sidara serum, and this is my vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serum, which I adore. I was actually gifted this product from Sidara, the company themselves, but I will definitely purchase it after I run out. That is my favorite serum for the morning. I love it because it's all in one. It has my vitamin C, which helps protect my skin. It helps to brighten my skin. It helps keep my skin very radiant. And then I have my hyaluronic acid, which helps add moisture to my skin and helps combat sign of aging. So anything that's an all-in-one product, if it cuts down the amount of products I have to use in my skincare routine, sign me up, because there's nothing worse than a lengthy skincare routine when you're trying to get ready to go or you're getting ready for bed. So I really love that product, and I believe it's about under $20, so you really can't beat that either. And it has a nice feeling. I just love it all around. Like, I seriously love that product. Okay, and my last product I want to talk about is my phone case. This is what it looks like. I have the Apple iPhone 8, the product red edition, and it has a black face. So because of that, I knew I wanted to get a clear case that had a black bumper, because I like a little lip on my phone so that it's not sitting on whatever surface you actually place it on. And I wanted a clear back so that I could see the red color of my phone, because like that's the whole point of getting a cute colored phone. I mean, not only to support a great cause, but so that you can see the color. So I really love this. I think the brand is, let's see, Spygen. I don't know, but I will link this down below. But I love this phone case. This is my everyday case. When I'm going out, I use this case especially because I feel like I can toss this around. It can fall on the ground and on the floor and be okay. And this is probably my favorite phone case, and I think it works really well if you have a colored back phone. So yeah, those are all the products I wanted to share with you guys. I hope this video was not too lengthy, but I definitely wanted to share with you my Amazon faves because I'm obsessed with Amazon. If you've done a video like this, let me know down below, or let me know what are some of your Amazon favorites. Amazon just makes me all warm and fuzzy. I love it. So I'm gonna stop talking, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.